guys, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we will be going over another tip on how to live a quality, sober, and fun life. So let's get started. Okay, let's see, what number are we on? I think we're on tip number 5. So tip number 5 is people. People is something that, let's see, what did they say? You are what you hang with, right? And I know for myself personally, I had to change my phone number, I had to relocate, and I had to just change the type of people completely that I hung out with. And some good places where you can meet people that are a lot like you are, I mean, of course, NA meetings. You can have a sponsor. I particularly don't do the whole sponsor thing, but a lot of people, that's something they really like. See, church is another good place. Online, like outdoor activities that, like a running club or a cooking class or dance class. You know, people that have hobbies that are like yours. Anywhere like that, the gym. All these places are good places to meet people, and you will see that being around people that don't use will be so much easier to not use. But once you go around people that use again, you're going to relapse. I mean, it's inevitable. So just change your people, change the people you are around, because we are what we hang with. We are what we hang with. Yep. All right. Well, thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for tip number 6. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.